And these circles we can draw differently. Where the creator is outside, and the development of creation comes from outside inwardly, where this is the most external phase, and that is the root phase. And the last phase, which we have here, is phase 4. Kabbalists, in such a way, draw the development of these 4 phases, even though you can also draw it the other way as well. That is how we have reached a state where the created being, in order to receive a desire of itself, its own desire, where it feels that it exists in this desire, it needs to develop from the thought of creation that comes from the creator. It needs to develop through these 4 phases, and it is the last phase. We sometimes talk about the root phase, that it doesn't relate to the creation because it is actually the thought of creation of the creator toward the created being. So we count phase 1, 2, 3, and 4 as these are phases of development of the created being from the creator. Or on the contrary, we can say it that the root phase 1, 2, and 3, that is the creator developing the desire to receive in order to bring it to its independent form, which is called the creation or created being. In other words, either we speak especially about the root or about phase 4, one way or another way, because the root phase is the creator, phase 4 is the created being, and in the middle are phases of development, where these developmental phases relate to the act of the creator. They're not on account of the created being, but the created being that wishes to attain the creator, it attains its own development, how the creator gave birth to it and developed it, and then it comes to the awareness or the recognition of the creator. Through the recognition of the acts of the creator, it reaches his recognition, which is called, from your actions we will know you. And accordingly, Kabbalists research reality and reach the understanding of the creator.